This year we will have 4 regional events. Did you get some motivation, inspiration, information? The reason to make them is to come closer to you and your teams. Latin America in Mexico City, April 27-28. Everybody from Latin America should be there.
I need to be a leader.
Y ayudar a otras personas a que cumplan sus sueños.
Made the best investment by being here.
Tallinn, Estonia.
Success is very beautiful. Success is exciting. Success is prosperity.
Passionate about working hard.
Are you ready? The beginning of a new future.
In Africa, the continent that is going to lead the rest of the world.
In SuccessFactory, lives have been transformed.
SuccessFactory!
Seoul, Korea, in the beginning of November. You should really book your tickets early.